Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll be doing this almost every day, night, and I'll be entertaining you with music from the Book of God and some songs which have been taped from lovely magazines. And my name is Uncle Robert. Should have loved me because they know they get good things from Uncle Robert. And maybe some of them are cheering me up while I'm doing it. I can't see them, but you see, they are there for the Lord and they are there for me. I love you all, and I'll be bringing you good music from the mouth organ. I learned to play this when I was just a boy like you or girl. So I'm going to play one song, prove that it's truth. Welcome once again, and I'll be with you almost every day. And even when all the people have slept, dogs, cats, and animals and lions in Africa will be playing music. Amen. I am excited to be playing music for you every day. Amen.
Amen.
You like that?
Yeah.
I want to ever thank you very much for joining me, and I know I'll be encouraged and you're excited to see what our video will bring to you every day. God bless you for joining and taking your time to listen to us. To me, Uncle Robert. See you in the next video.